What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be refreshing my red hair. It's Pulverized Shade in Fireball and another color from that line that I can't remember. This is a fadage after a month or so, but I miss that fiery red, so I've got my gloves on and we can get started. I'm taking Joico's Color Butter in the shade Red, and I'm going to begin with parting my hair and starting with the bottom section. I took a generous amount of butter and applied it directly to my hair. You can do this with damp or dry hair, but I prefer dry hair, and I'm making sure I am distributing the color evenly. This product is advertised as a hair treatment. It has a thick and rich consistency. It's made with shea butter and other proteins that helped with damaged hair. It's perfect if you already have red hair and want to refresh it, or if you have pre-lightened hair. It lasts up to 10 shampoos, so you don't need to worry about making a big commitment. The direction says to leave it in for 5 minutes, but I left it on for roughly 30 minutes just because I wanted it to soak into my hair shaft as much as possible. I'm taking 1.5 to 3 inch sections, I think, making sure to saturate my hair. If you're interested in checking out the Color Butter line, they've got other colors and they're available at Ulta. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. I'm taking my color removing wipes to wipe off whatever mess I made. I wouldn't recommend these wipes though. They do what they're made to do but aren't the best, and I also got an allergic reaction to these wipes, so that was freaking bad. This is the final product. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.